In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at how we can transition between elements. We can do that by making use of VIF VElse directive. The only thing that we need to take care of is when we are having elements that have the same tag name, we must tell Vue that they are distinct elements by giving them unique key attributes. Otherwise, Vue's compiler will only replace the content of the element for efficiency. So the transitioning will not take place. You'll just see flickering of text. Now over here, we will be doing the transition. And you can see that we have two buttons, on and off. We are showing on when show attribute is set to true, and on click of it, we are setting the show to false so that the transition of off button takes place. And here we have provided key attributes to both of these buttons. One is on and the other one is off. And that's pretty much it over here in our index.html file. Then in main.js file, we have new Vue instance created, and here it's pointing to switch elements. Then we have show attribute set to true. Now when I run this one in browser, you'll notice this on is coming up by default. When I click on this, you'll notice slight transitioning, and then the text appears as off. Now again, if I click on this off, you see that transitioning taking place, and then the text is changing back to on. So you can do this transitioning among multiple elements by having more than one VIF statement. For instance, if you're talking about a status kind of thing where status is initiated, then pending, progress, completed, that way we can have multiple transitions using the VIF else directive. In the next lecture, we'll be taking a look at transitioning between components.